Maybe it's in the gutter where I left my lover. What an expensive fate. Now I got a bellyache.
Hey guys, so I'm doing a voiceover of me doing my brows since everyone's been asking, and the thing I just showed you is that Morphe eyebrow pencil in the color chocolate mousse. And so right now I'm gonna be like brushing out my brows. It's two-sided, so one side there's a spoolie and the other side has the colored part. And at that point I just said just hold on, I'm going to plug in my my little ring light mirror. Yeah. So yeah, people have been asking a lot about my brows and how I do them, and so I'm just gonna show you. Don't mind how one brow is higher than the other. Honestly, I don't know why. It's always been like that, and whenever I've tried fixing it my best, but I honestly couldn't do it. So what you're gonna do is like, be like maybe a few inches or whatever away from the front of your brow, so like you can like blend it. So you're like want to like really slowly with this. So you're like want to leave naked the front part of your brows, so like you can be able to blend them out and everything. So kind of just like follow how your brows are. Maybe be a little bit overlined if you want to, but like because since I have glasses, you can tell that like honestly I can barely see. So you're gonna be a little bit slow, but like in a way that I already know how my brows are, so I kind of like be a little bit faster. I did like fast forward this video already and everything, so you can kind of notice how this eyebrow here is very arched and the other one is very very straight and not too much of an arch. And I did try to make it a bit longer on the thing on the arch, so it makes it look like kind of gives illusion in a way. I literally that zoom in was to show you how tired and dead I looked. Honestly, you can just tell. Just don't mind my face and everything. Just look at my brows. Honestly, my brows are not the best, to be honest. But so you're just gonna keep brushing, and you're gonna want to brush, and as you're filling, you want to keep brushing them, so the brows can the little hairs can like stay in where you want to be. And at this point, it was getting so hot in my room, I had to take off my sweater. I was dying. And I keep looking away, as you can tell, because I was watching Grey's Anatomy, and yeah. And the reason why I keep looking out of the distance into somewhere else is because of, like, since I wear glasses, I cannot see perfectly. But now you can see that I did start filling into the front of the brows. So you're gonna want to be really lightly and do like light strokes. Honestly, I don't know how to make them like as if you can see and notice the little hairs. But so basically you're just gonna be really light, and you can notice that I basically didn't blend off the really harsh ones so well. So now I'm gonna be using my concealer, also from Morphe. I think it was the F2 something. I'll just write it down in the corner. So you're gonna want to brush the hairs in the way that you need it to be, and then you're gonna want to like dot a little bit of concealer and get your concealer brush or whatever brush you use for your concealer. And yeah, since I don't use pomade, eyebrow pomade anymore, so I use my eyebrow brush. And the reason why I was laughing, obviously I was watching Grey's Anatomy, it's funny. So yeah, so you're gonna want to use whatever brush you use, and I use this eyebrow brush just because it's thinner and it helps more. So you want to keep blending it out and be really careful in how you do it, just so you don't mess up, and like how I did. So you want to like fix some little parts that maybe was worn over by accident. So yeah,
These are the eyebrows.
and so as you can see, I was like, these are the eyebrows. And so I had to fix my brow because there are some hairs that I left by accident. And so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. Yeah, bye.
Take me to the moon.